Welcome with Mr. Muhammad Ahmed. Our lesson today, operation on the real numbers. First, addition. When we add 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5, we adding the two numbers 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equal 5 root 5. Properties of addition of real numbers. Glossary. For example, root 5 and 2 root 5 is two real numbers. We find that root 5 plus 2 root 5, 3 root 5 belong to real numbers. Commutative property. 5 cube root 2 plus 4 cube root 2 equal 4 cube root 2 plus 5 cube root 2. That's meaning of commutative property. Associative property. When we add root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 5 root 3, we can adding the any two number of these three numbers. Firstly, by making a two bracket on the two we need to adding firstly. That's meaning of associative property. The additive neutral. The additive neutral 0. 0 is the additive neutral. 0 plus 2 root 5 equal 2 root 5. 0 plus 3 cubic root 4 equal 5 cubic root 4. The additive inverse of every real number. The plus, the positive become negative. Negative become positive. The additive inverse of root 3 is negative root 3. And the additive inverse of negative root 3 is root 3. And when we adding root 3 plus negative root 3 equal 0. 2 plus root 5. The additive inverse negative 2 and negative root 5. Let's choose the correct answer from those given. Root 7 plus root 7. The coefficient of the number in the first before root 1 and 1 plus 1 equal 2 root 7. Number 2, 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Positive, negative. Greater النيجاتيف هناخد النيجاتيف 3 minus 2 equal 1 يبقى negative root 2. 4 plus root 3 minus 7 minus root 3. In this example we adding the two numbers and the two roots. 4 plus negative 7 negative 3. Root 3 minus root 3 number and the additive inverse equal 0. يبقى the result become negative 3. If x equal 9 root 5 and y 5 root 3, then x minus y 9 root 5 minus 5 root 3 become 4 root 5. That's wrong. Root 5 and root 3 not the same, not like unlike terms, so the exact result is number D, 9 root 5 minus 5 root 3. That's it. We can minus or subtract the two numbers 9 root 5 and 5 root 3 because it's unlike terms. Number 5, the additive inverse of root 7 minus root 5, the positive become negative and so on. So become negative root 7 plus root 5. We can write it like root 5 minus root 7. If root 2 plus x equals 0, then x minus root 2 equal, from the first equation, x, the number beside it positive, go to another side by negative. So x equal negative root 2. Substitution in this form, negative root 2 minus root 2 يبقى negative 2 root 2. Let's go. Multiplication. Negative 2 root 7 multiply 4 root 7. We multiply number by number and root by root. Number by number, negative 2 by 4 equal negative 8. Root 7 by root 7 equal root 7 power 2 become 7. Negative 8 by 7 equal negative 56. The multiplicative inverse for negative root 2 over 5, we flip the fraction, is negative 5 over root 2. Negative 5 over root 2. 5 over 3 root 5. We can let the denominator with root. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by root 5. The same root. 5 root 5 and 3 by 1 3, root 5 by root 5 5. يبقى 5 root 5 over 3 over 3 by 5. ال 5 and the 5 equal 1. So the result become root 5 over 3. Let's practice. Find each of the following. 2 root 3 multiply 5 root 3 minus 4 between bracket. Number 2, bracket 2 plus root 3 by bracket root 3 plus 7. Number 3, 7 root 2 minus 5 by 7 root 2 plus 5. Number 4, bracket all power 2, 5 root 3 minus 2, all power 2. Let's go. Number first one, 2 root 3 multiply 5 root 3 minus 4. We distribute the number 2 root 3 multiply 2 root 3 by 5 root 3 with 2 root 3 by negative 4. So 2 root 3 by 5 root 3 plus 2 root 3 by negative 4. 2 by 5 equal 10. Root 3 by root 3 equal 3. يبقى 10 by 3. Positive, negative, negative. 2 by 4, 8 root 3. 10 by 3 equal 30 minus 8 root 3. It is the result. Number 2, 2 bracket multiply each other. The first 2 distribute 2 multiply root 3, 2 multiply 7 plus root 3 multiply root 3, root 3 multiply 7. And the result become 9 root 3 plus 70. The two bracket 7 root 2 minus 5 and 7 root 2 plus 5. It's the same, but this is negative and this is positive. So we do the rule, the first power 2 minus the second power 2. The first power 2 minus the second power 2. We do this rule when the two brackets are the same, but the sign here negative and the sign is positive. We called it conjugate number. bracket power 2, 5 root 3 minus 2. We call this 5 root 3 is the first and 2 is the second. When we solve this, the first power 2, we do this rules. A plus b power 2 equal the first power 2 plus 2 multiply a multiply b, 2 multiply first multiply second, plus second power 2, and there a minus b power 2 first power 2 minus, because it's minus, 2 multiply first multiply second, plus b power 2 is second power 2, and here 5 root 3 power 2 minus 2 multiply 5 root 3 plus negative 2 power 2. 5 root 3 power 2 equal 5 power 2 times root 3 power 2 minus 2 multiply 5 multiply 2, 20 root 3 plus 4. 5 power 2 25 by 3 minus 20 root 3 plus 4. 3 multiply 25 equals 75 minus 20 root 3 plus 4. We adding 75 plus 4 equals 79 minus 20 root 3. Thank you, and we will join another video. Goodbye.